Modeloco has always been about helping you to help me to help others. And in a new 3-part series, I'm going to do just that with 144 essential pointers to guide you and get you on the right track from the get-go. What there is out there, what's coming up, and whether it will collaborate or infuriate with your system. Look out for part 1 and the first 39 steps enabling a model railway compendium 2025. See you there so you can make the right choices for your model railway going forward. And just like the Modelocolift behind me, let's train up together. Please add your comments below the videos that come out to help me, to help you, to help others. Let's get this stuff out there. Are you on board? Will you help me? Then do just that. Thumbs up and subscribe, it won't hurt the bank balance. And I'll see you there on part 1, the Model Railway Compendium 2025.
It's alright.